Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10th exercise 3.3 question number 3 part 6. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables, because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First, geometrical method. Second, algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows three systems. First, consistent system. Second, inconsistent system. Third, consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by the help of substitution method. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the word. Pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10 exercise 3.3. Question number 3. From the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find their solution by substitution method. By substitution method. Clear? Part 6. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years hence, Jacob will be 3 times of his son. Clear? 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. It is clear? 5 years ago. Here 5 years hence and here 5 years ago. Clear? Here Jacob will be 3 times of his son and here Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. Clear? What is present age? It means you solve this question by substitution method. According to first situation, 5 years hence, Jacob's age will be 3 times of his son. According to second situation, 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. You find present age of Jacob and its son. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Clear? See the word. Let present age of Jacob equal to x and present age of son equal to y. Present age of Jacob equal to x. Present age of son equal to y. According to first situation, according to question, according to question, here first situation, 5 years hence age of Jacob will be 3 times of his son. Clear? Five years hence Jacob equal to x plus 5 and daughter and son equal to y plus 5. Here son y plus 5, Jacob x plus 5. Now x plus 5 equal to 3 times that of his son. 3 multiply y plus 5. Clear? X plus 5 equal to 3y plus 15. Here 3 multiply y become 3y, 3 multiply 5 become 15y. You write 3y on left side of equal and plus 5 on right side of equal. It become x minus 3y equal to 15 minus 5. X minus 3y equal to 10. It is equation first. You find equation first. Clear? According to first situation. Clear? Now according to second situation. X minus 5 equal according to second situation. 5 years ago Jacob. Here you can write as 5 years ago. Years ago Jacob equal to x minus 5. 5 years ago Jacob's x minus 5. Son equal to y minus 5. Now according to question, clear? X minus 5 equal to 7 multiply y minus 5. Here 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. 7 times. Here x minus 5 equal to 7 multiply y minus 5. Clear? You can write x minus 5 equal to 7 multiply y. 7y, 7 multiply 5, 35 minus 35. You can write 7y on left side of equal and minus 5 on right side of equal. It become x minus 7y equal to -35 plus 5. Clear? You subtract it. X minus 7y equal to -30. It is equation second. You find equation first and equation second. Equation first according to first situation and equation second according to second situation. Second situation, 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. Clear? Here 5 years ago Jacob x minus 5, 5 years ago son y minus 5. Now x minus 5 equal to 7 multiply y minus 5. It become x minus 7y equal to minus 30. It is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. By the help of equation first, equation first. By the help of equation first. Clear? Here equation first. X minus 3y equal to 10. It is equation first. Here you can write minus 3y on right side of equal. It become x equal to 3y plus 10. You find x equal to 3y plus 10. Clear? Now substituting x equal to 3y plus 10 in equation second. Now substituting x equal to 3y plus 10 in equation second. Second equation. Here x minus 7y equal to minus 30. X minus 7y equal to minus 30. It is equation second. Clear? Here x equal to 3y plus 10. You can write here 3y plus 10 minus 7y equal to minus 30. Here minus 7y, here plus 3y. It become minus 4y equal to here minus 3, 30 and here 10. You can write plus 10 on right side of equal. It become minus 30 minus 10. Here 10 is with positive sign. When you write on right side of equal, then it become with negative sign. Clear? Minus 4y equal to minus 40. You can cut minus and minus. Hence y equal to 40 upon 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 10 ja 40. You find y equal to 10. You find y equal to 10. Clear? Now you put y equal to 10 in equation first. Now put y equal to 10 in equation. Here you can put it in equation first or equation second. You put in equation first. Clear? Equation first. Here equation first, x minus 3y equal to 10. X minus 3y equal to 10. It is equation first. Here y equal to 10. X minus 3 equal to 10 equal to 10. x minus 3 multiply 10. Value of 10 is y is 10 equal to 10. It becomes x minus 30 equal to 10. You can write minus 30 on right side of equal. It becomes x equal to 10 plus 30. You add it. X equal to 40. You find y equal to 10. Here y equal to 10 and x equal to 40. It is age of son and it is age of Jacob. Clear? Hence, present age of Jacob equal to x equal to 40 years. Present age of son equal to y equal to 10 years. You find present age of Jacob equal to 40 years and present age of son equal to 10 years. Clear? You solve your question very easily by the help of substitution method and you find the value of x and value of y. It means you find the present age of Jacob x equal to 40 years and present age of son y equal to 10 years. Clear? In this way you can solve any question very easily. Solution is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Okay.